Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at this DDPAI mini dash cam, which is one of the best dash cams in its price. So in this video I'll be doing the unboxing first, and then towards the end I'll connect it in my car and we can review some sample footage. And before we get started, there's one thing I want you guys to do. If you can add in the comment section below the reasons why one should get a dash cam, then that would be really helpful. Alright, so now let's quickly get to the unboxing part. So you get this cardboard box which is wrapped by plastic. So let's quickly open this and we'll check the contents of the box. So the first thing that we've got in here is the user guide and then some additional documentation. So do go through this before you start using the product. And the next thing that we have here is the dash cam. So let me quickly take this out. So here is the actual dash cam. It's got a 3M sticker on the top which you can use to stick this to your windscreen, and there's a little cover for the camera which I'll take off later. On the right hand side we've got a speaker. On this side there's a little slot inside here for the micro SD card. So here's the slot for the micro SD card, and on top here we've got the USB cable connector which will power this device. So let me keep this away. The next item that we have here is the charger for this dash cam, which will plug into your 12-volt socket. And here's the USB cable which will basically connect to this connector and then will connect to your dash cam. And then this is a prying tool which you can use to tuck in this wire along the sides of your car, the sides of your windscreen. And I think we've got one more sticker in here, so if something goes wrong with this one, then you can use the other one. So these are all the items that you get in the box, and apart from this there's one more thing that you need, which is the memory card, and that can be purchased separately. So this is a Samsung 64GB card that I've purchased, and I'll place a link for this in the description section below so that you can order a similar one. So let's get to the assembly part now. So I'm in my car, and we can get to the last part of our video, which is basically installing this on the windscreen. And as per the guidelines here, you should be doing it, you should be placing it right behind your rear view mirror. So what I'm going to do here is clean the glass behind my rear view mirror, and then we'll remove this protective film from the double-sided tape and we'll stick this device on the windscreen. So just a note here again, ensure that you place it somewhere around here behind the rear view mirror. And if you notice, the USB port is pointing to the right, and then the speaker part is pointing to the left. So this is how I would be placing the dash cam, and then we'll remove the cap, we'll plug in the USB cable and the other things. And before we do that, there's one more thing that I need to do, which is take off this protective film from the camera, and then we'll remove the protective film from the double-sided tape as well. So now I've connected the dash cam over here, and I've also connected the USB cable. Regarding placing this wire from these panels down to the glove box and the 12-volt adapter, I'll do that later, but for now let's just power on the device and check its functioning. So I've turned on the device.
Hello, DDPAI.
And if you notice, it said hello DDPAI, which is DDPAI.
Please insert a SD SD card.
And it's asking me to insert the SD card, which I've forgotten. So I'm gonna open this panel here and I will insert the SD card. Okay, so I've inserted the SD card now, and I won't be doing the whole app setup and stuff right now, but we'll just focus on the samples. For the app setup and the other configuration, I'll make a separate video. So here's something that I had captured at 11:30 at night. There are street lights on this particular road, but they are not directly facing on the road. Even then, the camera is doing quite a great job at capturing the required details, and I think this video footage should be sufficient enough in case you need it as a proof. So for the nighttime recording, I think this thing is doing quite a decent job. And now here are some recordings that I've done during the day. It was a bit cloudy where I stay because it's the monsoon season out here, but then still the camera has done quite a good job at recording the level of details that one would need. So I think overall it's a great product, a great dash cam that you can buy for your car. So that's it for this one, guys. This was a short review of the DDPAI mini dash cam. If you have any questions about this product, then you can add them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.